Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an e-commerce platform with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, password, and store name. Click Create your store to proceed. Once your store is set up, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main menu on the left side. Select products to start adding items to your store. Click on Add Product. Fill in product details, including title, description, and upload high-quality images of your products. Set your inventory and shipping options. When finished, click Save. Next, navigate to the Online Store section in the menu. Click on Themes to choose a design template. Explore the free and paid themes available. Select the theme you like and click Install. Customize your theme using the Customize button. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Now, it's time to set up payment methods. Go to Settings at the bottom of the left menu. Click on Payments to configure your payment options. Choose your preferred payment gateways like PayPal or credit cards. Follow the prompts to set them up. Next, set your shipping rates by clicking Shipping and Delivery under Settings. Define your shipping zones and rates based on your target market. After that, click on Domains in the Settings menu. Connect an existing domain or buy a new one through Shopify. This will make your store look more professional. Once your domain is set, review all settings to ensure accuracy. Conduct a test order to see how the checkout process works. Make any necessary adjustments for a smoother experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.